In this video, you will learn how to change your primary domain in Siteground. To change your primary domain in Siteground, follow these simple steps. Log in to the Siteground account and enter your credentials. Then, on the Siteground dashboard, click on Websites and choose the website associated with your current domain. Then, go to the Sites tool. Click on the Sites tool from that website. Go to the Domain Management. In the Sites tool, navigate to Domain, then Domain Management. Add a new domain. Click Add a new domain if the new domain is not ready yet. Enter your new domain and click Add. Once your new domain is added, follow these steps to set it as your primary domain. Go to the Sites tool in the Sites tab, navigate to Domain and then Domain Management again. Change the primary domain. In the primary domain section, you should see a button or link that says Change Primary Domain. Click on it and choose the new domain from the list that is available in your account. Then, confirm the changes. After selecting the new domain, confirm the changes. Siteground will set this as the new domain as your primary domain. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.